Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni Umantri rangba ka jylla Meghalaya uba konrad ke sangma mentai kasni ulabu yu mau nongrim na benta ka jingte ye ka Meghalaya House Annex thymmai han number 9 Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road, New Delhi. Ya kani ka jingelang la pelong ha ka jingedan lang usimbut menteri rangba ka jylla uba preston tensong bad menteri katna General Administration Department GAD uba sustenance sotun ka Meghalaya House Annex thymmai kan satay ha arbenta phases ka benta baning kong kan thop ye ka jingte ki jakasa ki office bar ki par ki jingdan kam ban ai jingerap ikino Meghalaya ki belet Delhi na benta ki kam Sorkar ka jingye kundu bar ki ki kam paj ba ka benta ka ba ar kan sapenhe shu ye ka jingte kat kum ka jingdan kam hakis number 1 Habakran hagani ka jingelang uba konrad ke sang mauro ong bakani ka project kalong ka bakong sanba namarkan pinjanai ka jing ai jing shakri ki pat ba ka jylla Meghalaya ki badan kam jingerap hanong ba Delhi Ula benrap ru bagani ka Meghalaya House Annex kan nong kadak jing ka jing persang ka Sorkar jylla ban binbha ye ka jing trekam bad ban pinjanai ye ka jing de hepeng ka jylla ba ka Sorkar deng ka jingte gani ka annex ka lakmi denti bagan sedang no shen ban pendem ya ka kat kum ka pol balapu knang baki pat ba ka jylla kena banyo e ka jing tol ha ka pol ka babia
It's not just the Meghalaya House here in APJ Kalam Road.
Two blocks. It's a D2 block and it's a D3 block. And the most thing is it is interconnected through the skywalks.
Needs of the people of our state. The foundation of this annex building, it marks an important milestone for the JAD department. This new facility will not only strengthen the administrative capacity but also provide a better working environment for our officers and staff, enabling them to deliver services more efficiently and effectively to the people of Meghalaya. As we move forward, I assure everyone that the JAD department will continue to work tirelessly for the betterment of the people of Meghalaya under the guidance and support of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.
Sometimes what happened was few of them has to go and stay somewhere in the hotel. Some of them has to stay in Vasantihar, and some of them sometimes has to stay here in Aranset Road. And doing that, I could see that a lot of dislocation takes place because they don't get time, they don't get a proper place to sit down and prepare a subject before they attend the meeting in different ministries. So therefore, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we discussed and ultimately we decided that we need reconstruction and also construction of a new building altogether here in Abdul Kalam Road. And the foundation that we are going to lay this morning is about the first phase of the construction. We have two phases. First phase is about 30 something rooms, right? See? About
24 rooms.
Or 24 rooms. In the first phase, we will be able to get 24 rooms. And maybe in the second phase, we will get more rooms. And I could see once this is completed, I'm very sure the service delivery mechanism will again be further improved as far as official issues are concerned. So friends, for other purposes, they may be able to stay over there. And as mentioned by our Chief Secretary, I think that state guest house as we have today is one of the best state guest house in India. Let me tell you one thing. Recently, one senior IAS officer from Delhi, when he landed in Shillong, he stayed there in our state guest house, and he called me personally, and he said, "Sir, the state guest house of yours is the best in India." So, sir, that's what I'm saying. I think we have done a tremendous job. And this is done not because of Bernard, or not because of Preston, or not because of Sorkar, but it is the pride of our people in the state of Meghalaya. So
Also, and obviously the most iconic is going to be this particular area where we want this to happen. But having said that, I do take this opportunity, because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here. When you remind yourself that, the irritation within you also will go away. In infrastructure for administration throughout the state, if you look at our blocks, there were blocks which were functional.
Other members who are attending here. So I think I wanted to just tell you that it is such a important occasion for Meghalaya. All of you are aware Meghalaya House is, especially Meghalaya House.
And with all of these efforts, we're very hopeful that we will be having a very, very good infrastructure out here with adequate facilities, modern facilities, and proper service, so that people, when they come from Meghalaya to be here in Delhi, this should be always their first choice, and we would not in the future have to look for any other space in any other facilities apart from the Meghalaya houses that we have in Delhi. So this is really what our objective is, and I'm very happy today that we have been able to lay the foundation stone for this. And I do urge the PWD department to ensure that the work is done in the best possible manner, and most importantly by the best people, so that this infrastructure comes out to be excellent, as well as the construction is done on time.